I'm getting ready to let you in on a strategy right now. It's going to allow you to stay at home, focus on the business. You don't have to step outside of your home. You don't have to pick up any calls, nor do you need to use your eyes to scan any of the sites you're about to discover today. My name is Guillermo Mata. I'm the president and CEO of Red Torn Media LLC. We're a business development and technology based company. We develop some pretty cool tools and strategies for our Red Torn Media community. Only if this is your first time coming by, welcome. If you've been part of my community, make sure to hit the thumbs up and most definitely leave a comment down below. I'm getting ready to drop a gem right now. This gem is going to be a game changer for sure. So let's dive right into it. Let's dive right into my screen. So this approach, this strategy is called pay per appointment, and we're using classified sites. Okay. Now on this document that you can ask for down below, that's all it's going to require you to do. Drop a comment down below, ask for it, leave your feedback on this video after you listen to it. I just drop those feedbacks, hit the thumbs up, turn the bell icon as well. It's helpful here. But going back to this approach, pay per appointment. So how it works is basically you're going to need a rep. Very simple. You're going to need a representative, someone to represent your company. This could be someone local. It could be a college student, someone who's looking for some work, and someone who's basically looking to make an income on appointments that they bring you. Okay. Now you got to be reasonable with the amount that you're going to be paying per appointment. On this document, I break down the strategy and lots more. Let me give you just some insiders on why I'm choosing, just to give you, my psychological point of view as to why I'm choosing classified sites. So classified sites, there are some in particular that we look at, and I list them here on this document. Buy and sell and trade, or call it for sale, Craigslist, of course. There's a bunch of others out there, but the reason I choose these classified sites is for number one, these businesses that are on here, they sometimes don't really have the marketing experience, so they go on here. Also because they don't have the budget. Does that mean that they won't work with us? We don't know. That question is up in the air. We got to get to know them. And so on this document, I'll let you in on more of my psychological approach when I'm reaching out to these businesses. I'm never thinking, all right, I'm going to get these guys on a phone call and I'm going to sell them. I'm never really doing that. As a matter of fact, I'm not doing any of that, nor do I step out of my home, nor do I set up any of these appointments. I let other people do that for me. And so on this document, that's what I'm saying. This document is very powerful because it breaks my approach down. Very, very simple. Okay. But to go back into this one on buy, sell, and trade. Now look at this. We got a number here, right? And then we have an email address, right? So this is a small attorney in Coral Springs, Florida. We got an address here. That's all we really need. And, and on my approach here, I break it down nice and simple, how you could charge for this. How to pay out and all that cool stuff. So, and at the end of the day, what I will say with this approach, with this pay per appointment using classifieds approach, you need to have a budget to do this. This is no different than PPC, but instead you're using people to do this instead. Look, I'm going to be completely honest. Back in the day, I wasn't as technical as I am now. When it comes to pay per call and things like that. So that works for me as well. And that's an approach that you can take. But by taking this approach, you don't really have to get technical. Okay, you don't have to get technical. So how it works in short, just to give you a quick summary, you're basically paying whenever your agent books an appointment. That's it. So whenever they book an appointment, that's the only time you pay. You need a small budget to do this, about $100 a week, and you could pay out for every appointment. You could pay out $20 per appointment, $5 per appointment. It depends on when you're recruiting these people. You want good people, so you want to find them in particular, good areas. And I dive into that in this document. And again, this is not, you don't have to step outside of your house. You don't have to pick up a phone call. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to walk anywhere. None of that. You let them do that. All they have to do is basically fill your calendars. They're filling your calendars. Now, what you do need to make sure you do have at the end of the day is your services locked in. So when that, whenever you book that appointment, say you're going to get on the call to close that deal, or say it's them, or whatever the case may be, you have that service locked in and you guys are ready to rock and roll. So that is important. You need to make sure that your services are locked in, whether it be on a reoccurring basis, and so on. So the margins here are ridiculous. This strategy does work. So again, on this document, going back to this document, I dropped down the classified sites, my top 5 classified sites, to definitely for you to look at. I even dropped some free leads for you as well, potential prospects, on this document. So if you snooze, you lose. Ask for the document down below. And again, I show you this exact approach, and you can start doing this like today. Like, you can start doing this right now. There's no excuse, and it works. It works. All they have to do is fill your calendars. You're not doing none of this work yourself. I'm letting you in on a real gem right now. Okay, so make sure to hit the thumbs up, drop that comment down below if you really appreciate this video. So again, this document, ask for it. I'll give you access. Make sure to drop the comment down below first. I'm more than happy to get you access. All right. So this is my pay per appointment using classifieds approach, and I will see you on the comments. Speak soon.